Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you why you should consider adding EVERIPEDIA to your portfolio. I know it's down at the moment, so this is an opportunity when things are down, not financial advice, but when things are down, you got to be thinking a strategy. So my name is Adam Shelton, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification when you get videos just like this to help your bank account and help your brand. Now, the reason why I like EVERIPEDIA is the mission statement, an ecosystem of knowledge on the blockchain. This is a little bit of a different type of knowledge type project that you don't really see out in the marketplace. And when the price was moving the last couple of days, I noticed people started to be really interested in this project. I love EVERIPEDIA because it's really about knowledge on the blockchain, and it's actually predict outcomes of the future of things on their website. And I like the fact that it's the Wicked encyclopedia for everything and everyone and everywhere. So I love what it stands for. And we need something like this to kind of balance out the blockchain. Now, if I continue going on here, I noticed this as well. A top daily gainer, and this was on there. I was like, EVERIPEDIA. This came out the Crypto Screen, so shout out to Crypto Screen. On Twitter, I saw this, and the fact that I seen EVERIPEDIA in the top 5 in daily type of gainers. So it's getting momentum very, very slowly. It hasn't been added on to a lot of the exchanges yet, but it's continued to move in a positive way. And I look at the Twitter page, and now it's up to 118,000 followers, bringing blockchain knowledge to the world and knowledge onto the blockchain. See, this is why I like it. Knowledge onto the blockchain. This is a little bit of a different type of project you don't really see. And the IQ, that's actually the initials that he has. So that's what it goes by, IQ. Think about it, IQ, Wikipedia, of Cyclopedia, EVERIPEDIA. Yes, absolutely here. So when I go look at the price here, I'm looking here and I like the total supply. 10 billion, it's very, very low. So that's a lot of opportunity that you can really look into. Now, why you should add this to your portfolio, why you consider adding EVERIPEDIA to your portfolio, why not? It's at a low cost right now. It's on an upswing. It's got so much room to grow, mainly because of the actual use cases, and the price alone is low. That's something you can really think about it. And the fact that it's on some of the exchanges. It's on Binance, on crypto.com. Now you can click on crypto.com. You can get it on crypto.com. I do have it in the description box. Download the application on your mobile phone and get it on crypto.com. And it was just added on crypto.com not that long ago. So yes, EVERIPEDIA, everyone encyclopedia. You can actually click on here about EVERIPEDIA and learn more information about it. See, a decentralized knowledge platform powered by the IQ token. IQ token, you need something like this. It's been around for a little while, actually, since 2014. And EVERIPEDIA has developed a complementary trinity of dApps to fulfill the mission, including the EVERIPEDIA encyclopedia. So think about all those encyclopedias that's on your shelf. Remember you was growing up as a kid and you look over to your left into the living room and you see like 30 volumes of encyclopedia of information. Well, even though I didn't read many of those encyclopedias that my mom had there, but think about this, all those encyclopedia that's on a shelf is actually onto an blockchain of knowledge. Think about that. You're adding all this information that's out in the blockchain, the Polkadot, the Binance, all those type of things to be added on into like everyone's encyclopedia. So I'm really, really excited about this project. I know it's not one of those fancy projects that people may like, oh man, I want this, I want that. This is an underrated project, guys. I'm telling you, it's underrated and it's only ranked 189. So that means, it tells me there is that it's not only vastly underrated, it's under the radar. It's under the radar. You literally have to type it in. If I type in IQ, that's how I find it, because I can't find it in the top 100. Now you're probably thinking, okay, so what you mentioned max supply, total supply, what does this actually match up to? I'm not going to say it compares to this, but think about it, they got the same max supply. Matic, once again, I know I've did some Seller Network videos and I compare Seller Network to Polygon Matic because of the total supply. But let me tell you something. 10 billion, you see this, $1.64. And if I go back to IQ, is about the same total supply. I'm just saying. Listen, EVERIPEDIA, I feel like, has all the potential to between 50 cents and $1 in this bull run, because what problems they're solving, adding all this IQ of knowledge, ecosystem of knowledge to the blockchain. It has a vision to bring real world data, like information and knowledge to the blockchain, helping verify facts in era of misinformation. See, that's the thing. A lot of misinformation that's out there, especially when we adding things on the blockchain. You had something like EVERIPEDIA being added on there to make it a little bit more easier, because it also unlocked a new class of use cases in the financial market. So now you got all these little financial market information, a lot of misinformation. You got EVERIPEDIA to help things out, sort everything out. Very simple and very, very easy. So EVERIPEDIA, I think, is a hidden gem. I love EVERIPEDIA. I like what it stands for. Do your research. I know you want to do your research, obviously, to make sure if this is a fit for you. Why you should add this EVERIPEDIA to your blockchain or to your portfolio? Listen, start with the price, and then start with the actually mission statement, the ecosystem of knowledge on the blockchain. My name is Adam Shelton, so thank you for watching this video. I really like EVERIPEDIA. It's one of those projects that's right under the radar and people do not see it. I think it's starting to get some momentum because over the weekend, the price started to move and people are like, okay, EVERIPEDIA is going to be in my portfolio. But anyway, you should consider adding this. Not financial advice. I'm just basically thinking that you should really consider looking into this. Click on the link below. I do have the website as well of EVERIPEDIA. And also, if you're interested in purchasing it, get it on crypto.com. Absolutely download the mobile app. That way, get there very simple and very easy for you. I'll see you on the next video. EVERIPEDIA Encyclopedia. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.